All right, so another feature that I've discovered on the ops part is the whiteboard feature. So if you go to the whiteboard on the ops, you can save whatever you have on the whiteboard to your Google Drive. You can export it as a PDF to your Google Drive if you wanted to. So say I, let's see, I did something, so I'm just gonna put Jane. And say I wanted to send this out to my Google Drive. I was all done with my lesson. I want to send it out. If you hit the three buttons at the top and hit export PDF screenshot, you can export to, and I want to do save to drive. Now I made a folder for mine. If you don't have a folder, you don't have to have a folder, but I just like everything organized. So it's already logged into my my account because I logged into the Promethean app, which I'll show you that in a second. So I'm logged into my account. Here's my folder. I went into my Promethean folder. You can select in your drive. This is just what I had previously selected, so that's why. So I want to put it in there, and then I hit save. So now it says your file is currently being updated. So if I wanted to go to my drive, if you hit the Promethean board, go to your home, go to your applications. I can click to my drive, and I want to go to my folders. So let's see, Promethean. Here's my Promethean folder that I made. So I click on my Promethean folder. Here's the stuff that I've saved. This was another test that I was just messing around. But here's the stuff that I've saved. So it's now on my drive, and you can access it on your computer as well because I'm logged into my Google applications through here. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. There's also the slides. You can bring up slides and docs, and I'm sure they have the other ones. I just haven't downloaded it yet.